Hi everybody. Now I would like to teach you about the relative clauses or the relative pronouns. How to use the relative pronouns or relative clauses in sentences. Let us learn very clearly in this session. Okay, are you all ready? Relative clauses or relative pronouns. Generally, what is the clause? Clause is nothing but sentence. Clause is nothing but sentence. A clause is the part of the sentence which contains another subject and predicate. Predicate contains verb and object after the subject. Verb plus object is called predicate. Verb plus object is called predicate. Here, predicate tells what the subject does in the sentence. Okay, subject plus predicate is equal to sentence. That is about class. In my next session, I shall clearly explain you about class. Okay, clause is nothing but the part of the sentence which contains subject and predicate, which contains another subject and predicate. Relative clauses are relative pronouns. What are called relative pronouns? What are called relative pronouns? A list of relative clauses or pronouns. Here we can see who, whom, whose, which, that and what. These are the relative pronouns that we have to remember while combining two sentences into one. While combining two sentences into one, we use these relative pronouns. Okay. Generally, we can remember all these three relative pronouns very easily. Who, whom, whose. Here, if you take whom, here who is common. If you take whose, here who is common. In such a way, who, whom, whose can be remembered. Moreover, which, that and what also should be learnt regarding relative pronouns or relative clauses. How to combine two sentences into one by using these relative pronouns should be learned very clearly. Generally, we use relative pronouns in order to identify the sentence which gives information. It gives information about a person, animal or thing. About a person, animal or thing. Okay. This is the introduction about relative clauses or relative pronouns. In my next session, I shall clearly explain you about all these 6 relative pronouns or clauses very clearly. Let us discuss one by one and step by step very clearly with more examples. Okay? In my next session, I shall meet you with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.